What's up everyone? Dr. John here, and today, we're taking to the skies for a breathtaking journey over Turkey. Have you ever wondered what Turkey looks like from above? From ancient ruins to bustling cities and jaw-dropping natural wonders? We're about to find out. Get ready to soar over landscapes that will leave you in awe. Buckle up and let's dive into Turkey like you've never seen before. First stop, Cappadocia, a land of fairy chimneys and hot air balloons. These bizarre rock formations, sculpted by time, create a landscape that feels otherworldly. At sunrise, hundreds of colorful balloons fill the sky, casting shadows over ancient valleys. From above, we see cave dwellings carved into the rocks, homes, churches, even underground cities from centuries past. Some of these caves are now hotels and restaurants, blending history with modern life. And those balloons? They drift silently, painting the sky in a kaleidoscope of colors. It's a dreamlike scene, but we've got more to explore. Let's keep moving. Next we're off to Pamukkale, or Cotton Castle. Picture white travertine terraces cascading down a hillside filled with turquoise thermal pools. These terraces, formed by calcium-rich hot springs, create a surreal cloud-like landscape. From above, the contrast of bright white and azure blue is mesmerizing. People wade through the warm waters, and honestly, it's hard not to feel a little envious. This natural wonder is a must-see. Let's head to our next destination. Welcome to Istanbul, the city where Europe meets Asia. From above, the skyline is a mix of history and modernity. The Hagia Sophia, the Blue Mosque, and the bustling Bosphorus Strait. The Grand Bazaar, a centuries-old marketplace, and the Galata Tower stand out in this vibrant cityscape. Minarets rise across the city, their calls to prayer echoing through the streets. Istanbul is alive, a sensory overload in the best way. It's a city of contrasts, and from the air, it's pure magic. Let's keep the adventure going. Now we're stepping back in time to Ephesus, an ancient Roman city. From above, the ruins of the Library of Celsus and the Great Theater are awe-inspiring. Marble streets once filled with merchants and chariots now tell stories of a bygone era. It's incredible to see how nature has reclaimed this once thriving city. Ephesus is a powerful reminder of the grandeur and impermanence of civilizations. Let's move on to our final stop. Our journey ends on the turquoise coast, where crystal-clear waters meet golden beaches. From above, the coastline is a paradise hidden coves, ancient ruins, and lush mountains. Boats leave trails in the water, parasailers float in the sky, and waterfalls plunge into the sea. The Duden waterfalls and the ruins of Purge are highlights of this stunning region. The Taurus Mountains provide a dramatic backdrop to this Mediterranean haven. It's a slice of paradise you'll never forget. Let's wrap this up. That's a wrap on our aerial adventure through Turkey. From Cappadocia's balloons to the turquoise coast's beauty, we've seen it all. Turkey is a land of contrasts, ancient history, natural wonders, and vibrant cities. Which destination will you visit first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, peace out.